For 6 and 7, it says use a calculator to evaluate the function at the indicated values, and then round your answers to 3 decimal places. So essentially on these problems we have functions and values that they want us to plug in. So for number 6, f of 0.3, they want us to plug in 0.3, and we should get 1.516. If we plug in square root of 2, then we should get 7.103. For number 7, we have e to the x, so if we plug in 1, e to the 1 is 2.718, which, if you look back up at the box above, e itself, or just e, is 2.72, rounded to 2 places. So rounded to 3 places, this is just e, so it's 2.718. For e to the pi, that's kind of interesting. You should get 23.141. And that'll be our answers.